Welcome back to the Craft Catalog, the home of small-budget creativity and decor ideas that look like they came straight from a boutique showroom. Today we're exploring the magic of Dollar Tree wood pieces and how they can transform your home with 8 decor ideas that each cost under $10. These projects aren't complicated. They're about seeing simple wood in a new way and discovering how budget materials can create a surprisingly high-end look. Let's start with something almost too simple to believe: wooden trays and risers. A small block of wood, when lifted slightly or styled on a tabletop, instantly creates a rich, designer feeling. This effect comes from elevation. When objects sit at varying heights, it tricks the eye into sensing intention and luxury. It's a small shift, but it looks surprisingly expensive. Next, imagine a tiny wooden frame becoming a decorative accent piece. Dollar Tree frames may seem plain, but once placed on shelves or grouped with candles and plants, they create a soft, curated look. The curiosity here begins with the question: what simple item can gain visual importance just by being framed? The answer makes the decor instantly feel more thoughtful. Another underrated item is the basic wood plaque. With its flat surface and natural texture, it becomes the perfect backdrop for seasonal decor, inspirational words, or a subtle abstract design. What's fascinating is how even the cheapest plaque takes on a rich appearance when kept minimal. Clean lines and natural tones always feel classy. Let's move to one of the most enjoyable ideas: mini wooden shelves. These small boards can transform empty walls, corners, or narrow spaces beside desks and sinks. They provide stylish homes for tiny plants, perfumes, jars, or collectibles. They're lightweight and the warm wood tone is gentle on the eyes. This is where creativity sparks. You begin asking yourself, where else could a tiny shelf create magic? Another project uses wood shapes from Dollar Tree. These simple cutouts create depth and dimension when added to trays, frames, or jars. The beauty is in their simplicity. A flat piece instantly becomes more textured and visually appealing when layered. That little moment of curiosity, how might this shape change the mood of an object, unlocks endless ideas. Now consider wooden boxes. They may be small, but they hold powerful potential. When set on coffee tables, vanities, or bathroom counters, they create the feeling of hidden organization and styled charm. The effect looks clean, warm, and surprisingly expensive. Boxes are also fun because they encourage experimentation. You can flip them, turn them sideways, or cluster them together. Another idea involves long wooden sticks or paddle shapes. When arranged in a row or pattern, they create an artistic design piece that resembles handmade wall decor. The beauty is in the repetition and the natural tones of the wood. It becomes a budget-friendly feature that looks intentionally crafted. Finally, let's talk about wooden circles and rounds. These small pieces can become coasters, mini pedestals, or layered decor bases. Their shape naturally draws the eye and adds subtle softness to whatever sits on top. They're inexpensive, but they feel polished and boutique-worthy. Each of these 8 Dollar Tree wood ideas shows that elegance doesn't come from price. It comes from design, placement, and curiosity. If you enjoyed these projects and want more creative inspiration, make sure to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell. Your next stylish idea might be waiting just one episode away.